Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to decline a call by touch and hold your earbuds. Okay, normally there is a function that allow you double tap to attend and end the call. It is not directly disconnecting the call. It is actually, if you double tap it will be attend, then you double tap again, then it will be end the call. So how to decline directly? It is a touch and hold method. How to do that, how to assign that? It is very simple. You can do this thing with Hey Melody application. Open your Play Store, then go to Hey Melody application, download it. You can see here there is the application. I'm opening that. After download, open this application, then give some permissions like location and Bluetooth. Then go to earbud controls, then select which side, left or right. Okay, then go to downside. Then you can see here there's an option of when on a call. So there is two functions like double tap or touch and hold. So this is one of the best experience. You can see here, you can simply tap single time, it will be response is too quick. So if you assign that single tap, so it will be cause some problems. So there is only two functions like double tap and long touch. So how to decline a call directly without attending? You can see here long touch and hold option, that function, then select declining call. So in this way you can simply touch and hold left side earbuds for declining call, or you can set it to right side also. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.